Hi, in this lesson we will learn how to give the users the ability to drill down through any visuals in Power BI. So I'm going to create a column chart that displays the total item price breaking down by country. So now we have one column chart that displays the total by country. Under the country in the X, I'm going to add the city. Under the city, I'm going to add the branch. Under the branch, I'm going to add the category of the product. My chart now looks very unorganized. So from the drill down, I will enable to drill down. Then I'm going to drill up for the highest level, which is the country. Now if I just double click any country, I can see the second level, which is the city. If I double click any city, I can see the second level, which is the branch. If I double click any branch, I can see the product inside this branch. At any time, I can drill up or drill down level by level.